Hey, I'm Zach,
And I'm Townsend.
and we're with CW Service Pros.
And we're here to talk to you about our 1, 2, 3 or it's free drain special. We're going to pop right over and clear your main drain line. If for some reason we can't get it cleared, then it's free, just like the offer stated.
We'll send out our plumbing drain specialist to clear your main drain line. Once it's clear, we'll send our camera down to see what caused your issue in the first place.
Once we discover the issue, we'll put together multiple options for you that may include a more extensive pipe clean,
A repair of a broken spot in the line.
or a replacement of the whole line if our video inspection shows that you have multiple issues throughout your pipe.
No matter what your options, we will review them with you, and you can select from any of our no-obligation solutions.
It's as easy as 1,
2,
3. Once we have completed the inspection, as long as no significant issues are found on your line, it will come with a 1-year clog-free guarantee. If that's not the case, we will offer financing solutions to help you take care of the problem so you can stop flushing your good money down your lines only to have it come back up again. We are here to partner with you and your family to keep you guys smiling with our 1, 2, 3 or it's free drain cleaning guarantee.